In this video, we will discuss about power amplifiers. A power amplifier is the amplifier which increases the power level of the input transducers. Generally, the output of input transducers has very less power. It cannot be used directly to drive the output devices like display unit, speakers, printer. So it is necessary to increase the power level of the input devices, input transducers, to make it sufficient to drive the load, to drive the output devices. Generally, we can classify power amplifiers in 4 categories. First, class A amplifier, then class B amplifier, class AB amplifier, and class C amplifier. Class A amplifier. Class A amplifier is the amplifier in which transistor conducts for the complete cycle of the input signal. Suppose that the amplifier is made by a common emitter amplifier. Then in class A amplifier, during the complete input cycle, emitter base junction will be forward biased and collector base junction will be reverse biased. So collector current will flow for the complete cycle of the input signal. Means in class A amplifier, the conduction angle is 360 degree. Transistor will conduct for complete cycle of the input signal. This figure shows the collector current of class A amplifier. In this collector current, there are 2 components. First is capital IC. This is the zero signal collector current. The dotted line shows the zero signal collector current. This is the DC collector current due to the biasing of the class A amplifier. And this is the sine wave. Here IC is the amplitude of this sine wave. Small IC is the signal collector current. This collector current, small IC, is the collector current due to the input signal. So total collector current will be this zero signal collector current IC plus signal collector current small IC. To operate amplifier for the complete cycle of the input signal, this is must to bias the amplifier in such way that zero signal collector current capital IC should be greater than the amplitude of the signal. Next type of power amplifier is class B amplifier. In class B amplifier, transistor conducts only for half cycle of the input signal. It means in class B amplifier, collector current flows only either for positive half cycle of the input signal or negative half cycle of the input signal. Means conduction angle is 180 degree in this case. The efficiency of class B amplifier is maximum 78.5%. See the waveform of collector current of class B amplifier. This is the waveform. From this waveform, it is clear that collector current flows only for positive half cycle of input signal. In this case, only positive half cycle of the input signal collector current is flowing, and in negative half cycle the collector current is 0. It means conduction angle of class B amplifier is 180 degree. This class B amplifier is designed to conduct only in positive half cycle. The class B amplifier can be designed also to conduct in only negative half cycle. Class B amplifier is biased at 0 DC level, means zero signal collector current is 0. When no input is applied, in that case collector current will be 0. This is the reason the efficiency of class B amplifier is high. Since conduction angle in case of class B amplifier is only 180 degree, it can conduct only either positive half cycle or negative half cycle. So using two class B amplifier, one for positive half cycle and another for negative half cycle, we can get output for complete input cycle. This arrangement of class B amplifier is known as push-pull amplifier. We will discuss about push-pull amplifier in later section. Third type of power amplifier is class AB amplifier. In class AB amplifier, transistor conducts for an interval slightly greater than half cycle. It means the collector current flows for more than half cycle of the input signal. In class AB amplifier, the conduction angle is greater than 180 degree but much less than 360 degree because collector current flows for more than half cycle of the input signal. This waveform shows the collector current. Here we are seeing capital I, capital C. This level is the zero signal collector current level, means the collector current due to the biasing circuit. In the absence of input signal, the collector current flowing is known as zero signal collector current. It means in class AB amplifier, transistor is biased at a non-zero DC level. When there is no input signal, in that case a small collector current due to the DC biasing condition will flow. This level of collector current will flow in the circuit. But this non-zero small collector current is much smaller than peak amplitude of the signal current. This small IC represents the peak amplitude of the signal current, the collector current due to the signal, and this capital IC represents the DC level, zero signal collector current level. So the transistor is biased at non-zero DC level. The value of this DC level is much smaller than peak of the signal current level. The fourth type of power amplifier is class C amplifier. In class C amplifier, transistor conducts slightly less than half cycle of the input signal. It means in class C amplifier, collector current will flow only for less than half cycle of the input signal. So conduction angle is less than 180 degree. See this diagram. This waveform shows the collector current in the case of class C amplifier. From this waveform, it is clear that collector current flows only for less than half cycle, less than 0 to pi, means conduction angle is less than 180 degree. And for remaining part of the input signal, the collector current is 0. The class C amplifier is biased in such way that it remains off when no input signal is applied. In the absence of input signal, it is switched off. And when input signal is present, then it operates in saturation region. So the efficiency of class C amplifier is more than 90%.